How to fix Snapchat story views not showing up. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and let's get started. First of all, make sure that your application Snapchat is updated because at times when your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. So head over to your Play Store or App Store. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Now let's go ahead and launch our Snapchat application. As you do so, get logged into your account and tap onto your Bitmoji. Here tap on the gear icon on your top right. Scroll below. Under privacy control, you will see view my story. We have to ensure that our story is visible to our friends. So open it. Make sure this is set to friends only. In case you would like to hide it from people, you can also go ahead and use this custom button. Now scroll below again and then you will see clear cache under account actions. Tap onto it and continue. And likewise, it will erase all the cache. Now restart your device, launch your Snapchat, and this shall definitely fix your problem. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.